Hello, dear students. I'm Betsy Miss here, and today we will begin with lesson number 12 from mathematics textbook, that is perimeter and area. Before we begin with this chapter, you have already learned a few things about perimeter, and today we shall do a small revision of perimeter, how to find out the perimeter, so that you can just remember or recall certain things about the perimeter. So let's begin. Now, what is perimeter? The definition of perimeter states that the sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Let me read that again. The sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. So the sum, that means you have to add the length of all the sides of the given figure, of a closed figure, a figure that is closed, that is like a rectangle or a triangle or a square or a circle. Okay, the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure, that is called as the perimeter. Okay, now let us look at an example for a better idea. I have shown a rectangle over here, that is rectangle ABCD. Okay, and I have given you the lengths of the sides. The lengths of the adjacent sides, adjacent means the sides which are side by side to each other. For example, AB and BC are adjacent to each other, that is, they are beside each other. AB is beside BC, whereas the side AB and DC are opposite to each other. Okay, side AB and DC are opposite to each other. Side BC and AD are opposite to each other. And side AB and BC are adjacent to each other. Side BC and CD are adjacent to each other. Side CD and AD are adjacent to each other. Okay, so the lengths of two adjacent sides, that is this length of side AB and length of side BC are given. We have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. How do we find out the rectangle's perimeter? We will have to add the lengths of each side. As the definition states, we have to find the sum of the lengths of all the sides. So the perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 4, that is AB, 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, the length of BC, plus the length of CD will be the same as the length of AB. So this will be 4 centimeter. Therefore, 4 plus 5 plus 4, the length of CD, and the length of AD will be 5 centimeter. So 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. As we add all these centimeters together, we get 18 centimeter. 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 gives us 18 centimeter. And 18 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Okay, so this is how you find out the perimeter. Now, sometimes they might not give you a diagram. They will directly in the question will give you the length of the side and you have to find the perimeter. I have given such an example over here. The lengths of the adjacent sides of a rectangle are 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Remember that in a rectangle, two sides have the same length. Okay, so there will be two sides having 10 centimeter and two sides having 7 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. the rectangle's perimeter, the perimeter of the rectangle will be 10 plus 7 plus 10 again and plus 7 again. That is what I have written over here, 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7 centimeter, which gives us 34 centimeter. Okay, and 34 centimeter is a perimeter of the rectangle having adjacent sides 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay, let us look at another example now. This time we shall look at an example which is not a rectangle. The length of the side of square PQRS is 5 centimeter. Now what is the difference between a rectangle and a square? In a square, all the sides of the square will have the same length. Okay? Whereas in a rectangle, only two sides will have the same length. Okay? Now here they have given that the length of the side of the square, one side of the square is 5 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter. What we will do here is that we will add 5 4 times. Okay? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay? The perimeter of this square, that is the square PQRS, will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay? So the perimeter of this square is 20 centimeter. I hope you have got an idea of how to find the perimeter.